Do you need a beautiful arch treat wall for your next event? If so, make sure to watch, screenshot, and save this video so you know exactly how to build one. The first step of the process is to mark out the board exactly how you want it. And in my case, I'm making the arch treat wall 6 feet high and 3 feet wide. Make sure that you screenshot this if you like. Once you're done making all the markings, you'll then want to begin to cut down the size of the board. So for the 2 feet that I'm cutting at the top length of the board, I could either use 1 foot section to make the sandbag bracket, or I could use it for a different project if I like. One thing I did want to mention is to always cut from the back of the board so your better looking piece will sit face forward, and you can use painter's tape to reduce the tear out on the boards. Once I was done cutting that piece, I then moved on to the 1 foot section, and in just a moment I'm going to show you how to use that piece to make the legs for the backdrop. Once I was done with that cut, I gave it a quick vacuum, and then I removed all the painter's tape just so I can show you exactly how to mark out the legs. So with that 1 foot section, you want to make a mark at 30 inches with a 2-inch notch at the top, and on the lower end you'll want to mark it out to 12 inches long, and then you'll want to make a line marking those 2 sections, and then you'll just reverse the process on the other side. You'll then want to go 6 inches from the bottom of the leg, use a 3/4 inch piece of scrap to make the notch for the sandbag bracket, and this is what it's going to look like when you're all said and done. Make sure to watch the following videos to come to see the rest of the build, and thanks for watching.